Hi everyone, this is Habish Khan, your real estate broker. If you're thinking of buying, selling residential or commercial property, give me a call for free property evaluation and professional advice. Today I'm in Burlington and I'm going to give you a tour of this beautiful semi-detached house. Very deep, big lot, big front and ravine lot. Very good opportunity for people who are downsizing and wants to live on one floor. I'm going to give you a tour of this beautiful semi-detached bungalow, and then I'll give you details after. Single door entry with the big frame on side, glass, making this foyer very bright. They have a hanging shelving here and here. And here is big coat closet with double door, very nice, and very nice tiles as well. Then you take a step, you have another coat closet. Wow. And then here is laundry stack, washer dryer. After laundry, this is the sitting area. You can say living room. Easily 8-10 people can sit here. You can put 3-seater, 2-seater chairs, center table. Very nice windows. You see ceiling height is 9-foot ceiling. Engineer wood. This is a carpetless house. And then after that, you see another window, and this area for dining, or if you want to continue with sitting, you can. Here is a small space for workstation, people who work from home, or you want to remove this, you want to use this space for table or sitting, you can. This is just optional. Big island, long island, space for stools. You can make a breakfast bar, double sink, deep sink, all appliances, good quality, electric oven. If you want to make gas, I believe you can do it. You see this patio door, very bright house. You can see ravine on the back. You won't have any house on the back. Greenery, very lively. You can sit on the backyard, privacy. So from here, then here is main washroom, very basic, no cords, no granite, commode area, but shower is very nice. See, proper glass shower, tiles up to ceiling, pot light, and the best part is they have a upgraded bench in the washroom because elderly people, they want to sit and take shower. That's very nice. Then, and here is bedroom on main floor. I would say primary bedroom because it's a bungalow. So good size room. You can have queen bed here, chairs, workstation. And here is walk-in closet, very good size, very nice. And then you have access to main washroom from the bedroom as well, which I just showed you. So on main floor, high ceiling, especially here in the kitchen. Normal ceiling is 9-foot ceiling, smooth ceiling. Now let's go upstairs. When you come in the middle, you have two choices, left or right. We'll go to left first. Here is linen closet, very deep, lots of storage. And here is big bedroom with high ceiling. I would say 10-foot ceiling, I believe, and big window. Easily queen bed, even king bed with chairs, workstation, very nice. And here is walk-in closet, very good size. And then from here, so when you come here, you see this beautiful loft, Very good size. Easily 10-12 people can sit here. Lots of space, and especially this view of kitchen from here looks beautiful. And then you have a main washroom here. Again, no upgrade, single sink, very conventional, simple. And then it's tub. You can make standing shower with a glass, or you can take the tub off and make a proper standing shower. After that, here is another bedroom. Very good size. All 3 bedrooms in this house, very good size. Even here you can have a queen bed, king bed with chairs, with workstation, study table, and you can see big window and ravine on the back. Very nice. And here is walk-in closet. Very good size again. Lots of storage, lots of space. 3 bedrooms, 2 full washrooms in this house. Let's go and check the basement, although it's not finished, but I want to show you the opportunity. See the ceiling height, very good. You can develop very good basement here because ceiling height is good. So windows are small, but we can always upgrade to 24 by 36. That's not a big deal, subject to city approval, which normally they do. And the rough-in for washroom. And this area you can build a very good size, big bedroom. You can make another bedroom on that size. The good size thing is they have already everything on one side. You can make kitchen here, sitting area. This basement has a potential. 2 bedroom, good basement with kitchen, washroom, and sitting area. Hope you like the tour of this beautiful bungalow with loft. You see the front, how deep is the lot on the ravine. You have a full privacy. This house is just over 1,800 square feet and asking price is just over $1.1 million. Give me a call if you're interested. I have so many other options available in Burlington, Oakville, Milton, Mississauga, Greater Toronto area, and beyond. You want to buy pre-construction or resale property, I can help you. If you want to sell your property, I can list your property and make a home tour like this and put in front of right people to get you the top dollars. If you like this home tour, like, subscribe, and share. I have very professional mortgage partners who can help you with your mortgage approval, or if you want to refinance your existing property for investment, they can help you. I can be reached at 416-475-7777. Talk to you soon.